Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in Dodge Dart, only ways. Begin by parking on level ground, turning the engine off, and wearing gloves and goggles. Locate the low side service port near the accumulator or receiver dryer and identify the correct fitting for R134A. Verify system pressure with a gauge before adding refrigerant and never overfill the system past manufacturer pressure recommendations for safe function. Gather tools, a manifold gauge set, an R134A recharge can with a gauge, and a leak detector. Also have a thermometer to check vent temperature and a vacuum pump if system evacuation is needed. Confirm the exact refrigerant type and required pressure for Dodge Dart AC systems before starting. Keep a rag and container to capture oil and follow safe disposal for any recovered refrigerant per local regulations. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful guides. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for catching dust and crumbs while you work, with voice control for hands-free tidiness and smart maps that follow your schedule. It even jokes about hunting lost bolts. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start the engine and set AC to max cool and fan high, then measure low side pressure with the gauge. If pressure is below specification, connect the recharge can securely and add refrigerant in short bursts while monitoring pressure and vent temperature. Stop when the low side reaches manufacturer recommended pressure, then check cabin vents for a drop near expected temperatures and scan for leaks to prevent future loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.